May we have your attention, please, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all of the participants, invitees, exhibitors. We would like to kindly invite everyone to please join us for the closing session. Please kindly take a seat here around the main stage area. There are some available seats here. Please kindly fill the chairs, the available chairs here, as we are about to start the program for the closing session for the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Bapak dan Ibu yang masih berada di seputaran areal exhibitions Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo, kami persilakan untuk bisa menempati tempat duduk yang sudah disiapkan. Kita akan memulai rangkaian acara penutupan dari Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo. Dan tentunya sekali lagi kami mengundang perwakilan dari masing-masing exhibitors untuk dapat mengikuti prosesi penutupan Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Terima kasih.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very much delighted to welcome you to the closing ceremony of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Dan tentunya sebelum kita melangkah ke sesi seremoni pada sore hari ini, kita akan bersama-sama mempersembahkan sebuah persembahan, a performance that will illustrate and also show you the beauty of the cultures, creativity, and also this is the masterpiece of our Indonesia.
Bapak Ibu, sebuah karya yang mempertemukan fashion, seni dan identitas budaya Bali dalam satu panggung Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome on stage Fashion Show Carnival presented by Gede Yudi. Please do enjoy the performance. So do take some time. So can we have one round of applause for the performance, please? Thank you. There was amazing performance, I believe, a fashion show carnival by Gede Yudi. And what do you think, Dian, for the performance?
It was absolutely amazing, right? And the beautiful carnival outfit prepared by Gede Yudi was also very beautiful and very interesting.
I would
Very
like to
unique.
extend a great appreciation, sincere appreciation to Gede Yudi for the ideas.
Yes, the creativity, you know, it's such his signature with the carnival fashion style, right?
Definitely amazing.
Terima kasih sekali lagi untuk Gede Yudi atas persembahan fashion show karnaval yang merupakan salah satu signature dari Gede Yudi. Dan tentunya sesaat lagi kita juga akan segera melanjutkan rangkaian closing ceremony dari Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now delighted to invite you to join our closing ceremony. And now we move on to the Indonesian National Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for Indonesian National Anthem, Indonesia Raya.
Indonesia Raya. Hadirin disilakan duduk kembali.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, sebelum melanjutkan rangkaian closing ceremony dari Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026, marilah kita bersama-sama memanjatkan doa, puji syukur kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, tentunya menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Dan kita berdoa bersama semoga perjalanan dari Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 memberikan manfaat, inspirasi, serta menjadi langkah baik bagi perkembangan industri wellness and beauty Indonesia. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Bapak Ibu hadirin yang kami hormati, mengawali perjalanan hari ketiga Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026, mari kita bersama-sama menyaksikan sebuah persembahan budaya yang menggambarkan harmoni antara kesehatan, kecantikan, dan keindahan alam.
Ini adalah sebuah karya tari berjudul Sekar Satpada Kumara yang dipersembahkan oleh Sanggar Seni Paripurna Bone Gianyar.
Sekar Satpada Kumara terinspirasi dari hubungan harmonis antara kupu-kupu dan bunga sebagai simbol kecantikan alami, simbol kesehatan, dan simbol kehidupan yang selaras dengan alam.
Sekar berarti bunga, Satpada berarti kumbang atau kupu-kupu, Dan Kumara berarti muda, sehat, serta penuh energi kehidupan. Tarian ini tentunya membawa pesan bahwa kecantikan sejati lahir dari tubuh yang sehat, pikiran yang tenang, dan jiwa yang selaras.
Dan dalam tarian ini Bapak Ibu, penari kupu-kupu menggambarkan kebebasan, kelembutan, dan menggambarkan energi kehidupan. Gerakan kepakan sayap, terbang dan berputar melambangkan aktivitas tubuh, sirkulasi energi, serta keseimbangan hidup untuk menjaga kesehatan dan juga vitalitas.
Dan sementara itu penari bunga yang hadir dalam bentuk bunga yang sedang mekar menggambarkan keindahan, perawatan diri, dan proses pemulihan. Gerakan kelopak bunga yang membuka dan menutup nantinya akan menjadi simbol pentingnya istirahat, keseimbangan, serta self-care dalam menjaga kesehatan tubuh dan jiwa.
Bapak Ibu, diiringi alunan gamelan gong kebiar yang lembut dan harmonis, tentu saja tarian ini menghadirkan energi yang segar sekaligus menenangkan. Sekar Satpada Kumara mengajak kita untuk memahami bahwa kesehatan adalah dasar dari kecantikan yang sesungguhnya.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hadirin yang kami hormati, let us now enjoy the performance Sekar Satpada Kumara presented by Sanggar Seni Paripurna Bona Gianyar.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time please enjoy the performance of Tari Sekar Satpada Kumara by Sanggar Seni Paripurna Bona Gianyar. big applause, please, for the performers.
Thank you so much to all of the performers. Sanggar Paripurna Bona Gianyar.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as you see wherever you are in Bali, you will always see traditional dances, musics, and dramas being performed. And in Bali, normally children of 5 to 4, 4 to 5, I would say, have started to learn the art of singing and dancing. And children of 6 to 7 have begun to learn the art of carving and painting. Therefore, you will see art has been merged in daily life of the Balinese people.
And of course, now we are back again to the closing sessions for the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. And this is the last day, the third day of the journey of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. I believe there are so many stories being shared, stories of innovations, stories that inspires others, and also stories being told about collaborations.
Baik Bapak Ibu, beberapa hari ini kita sudah bersama-sama ada di Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 dan ini telah menjadi cerita untuk kita bagi bersama, kita alami bersama, cerita tentang inovasi, cerita tentang kolaborasi, dan juga cerita tentang bagaimana wellness sesungguhnya dapat membawa perubahan positif bagi masa depan kita semua.
And we would like to share our journey. Kami akan membagikan perjalanan kita selama 3 hari ini yang sudah kita lalui bersama-sama di Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 in form of a video highlight of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
So distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the highlight video or audiovisual of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Salam sejahtera bagi kita bersama. Salam kebajikan. Namo Buddhaya. Shalom. Rahayu, Rahayu, Rahayu.
And distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like now to once again welcome you to the closing ceremony of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Tidak terasa ternyata sudah 3 hari kita melewati Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Apa saja yang sudah kita lewati selama 3 hari ke belakang ini?
Well, definitely it's been very amazing period of time we spent together here at Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo. Hari pertama kita masuk pada Thrive from Within, di mana Bapak Ibu kita belajar bahwa wellness dimulai dari dalam diri, tidak jauh-jauh. Dan hari kedua kita melanjutkan dengan Thrive in Harmony. Setelah Thrive from Within, we moved on to Thrive in Harmony, di mana kita memahami pentingnya keseimbangan antara manusia, lingkungan, dan juga komunitas. Dan hari ini, hari ketiga Bapak Ibu, kita lanjut pada Thrive for the Future, di mana kita bersama-sama membangun visi untuk masa depan wellness dan beauty yang lebih baik. Dan tentu saja Dian, I just like to share to our audience here, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, that Bali has been internationally recognized so far and by today by the Island of Gods, Morning of the World, the Island of 1,000 Temples, and definitely Island of Loves after the movie of Eat, Pray, Love. But then after Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo, I'm so excited for Bali to be known as the center of the island of wellness.
Wow.
Not only Indonesian, but also known internationally. So Bali as the center for wellness.
Yes, that also signifies that the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo is not just an event, tapi kita bisa lihat ini adalah sebuah journey atau perjalanan, dan it's a movement. Sebuah gerakan untuk membangun koneksi. Bagaimana kita membuka peluang-peluang yang ada dan juga membawa Indonesia semakin menjelaskan dan juga menegaskan posisinya di panggung wellness dunia.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you agree that Bali is becoming the center of wellness worldwide, may we have your applause, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed.
That shows your support and also our commitment shared today that we want to make Bali and also Indonesia to be the center of wellness. And
Right.
now let us just start and continue the closing ceremony program.
Definitely. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to our next agenda, we will continue with the welcoming remarks in this closing ceremony. It is indeed an honor to invite to the stage Bapak Ed Brea, the General Manager of the Meru Sanur Bali Beach, the Heritage Collection. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome on stage Bapak Ed Brea.
Selamat sore. Dr. Dia Permana, Dr. Kitut Jaman, through your leadership, your vision, your spirit of innovation, I think you've really shown us through the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo, you've hit a new benchmark, and it's for all of us in Bali to follow that. Congratulations on this remarkable success. The Sanur Special Economic Zone continues to grow and evolve. The integration and collaboration with all of our stakeholders, both internal and external, will be essential in positioning medical, wellness, beauty tourism at the forefront of sustainable tourism in Bali. We look forward to giving you updates on the Sanur Special Economic as they go along. The hospital's been open for a year now to great success. And I think that's going to continue to build and build and build. We've got a couple of clinics that are already opened up. The Solitaire Clinic is the aesthetics, and more clinics to come. But the big highlight, probably by the end of this year, we'll open up the Ethno-Botanical Gardens, which is right across the street here. And those Ethno-Botanical Gardens is really something that's going to be very special here, as we, feature 150 indigenous species of floral and fauna and herbs and gardens. It'll be something really that'll blend well with the modern way to, to get treatments, but also the Balinese way to heal and get better once you've had those treatments. So the modern and the ancient way will be thing. But we'll give you some more of those. While we continue to face many challenges on this journey towards sustainable tourism, including infrastructure development, environmental sustainability, education and community engagement, mutual cooperation is no longer simply an option. We have to work together. It's imperative and it's necessary. We firmly believe that preserving Bali's local wisdom and cultural heritage, advocating for sustainable development, empowering communities through entrepreneurship, which we've seen so many examples today of why we buy Bali. We buy Bali because it's quality, and it's really something made at home here, and something we can all be proud of. And you need the empowerment to be able to do that. We also believe in advancing and developing the next generation of Balinese leaders. It's something that we need to continue to culture. If we look at the model of the Bali International Hospital, it's the first hospital to have foreign doctors. The reason for that and the premise of that is to transfer the knowledge of what they know to bring up the standard of medical here in Bali. So when people come here, they get world-class health care. And in case of an emergency situation, something happens, it's right there and it's up to par with anywhere else in the world. But this will be paramount in ensuring Bali remains the forefront as a world-class destination. So congratulations to everyone here who shares this and supports this vision with us. I'd also like to send my sincere thanks and appreciation to Milia Mais, Bapag, Bali Mais, the newly established Indonesian Wellness and Beauty Expo Association, and InJourney Hospitality, my company, for their valuable contributions and commitment to this shared vision. I'd also like to leave you with one final thought. The future of wellness and tourism is not built by individual organizations working alone, but built by communities, industries, and governments united by the common purpose to create a healthier, more sustainable, and more prosperous future generations to come. That really is what I think we need to do. Again, it's all in the spirit of Gotong Royong, mutual cooperation among all of us here. And it's great to see us all coming together for that. And it can only get better and better with efforts like this. Again, thank you very much for that. Okay? Matur Suksma. Om Santi Santi Om.
Thank you very much indeed, Bapak Ed Brea, General Manager of the Meru Sanur, Bali Beach, the Heritage Collections. And I'm also would like to extend our sincere gratitude to Pak Ed Brea, the Meru Sanur team, Bali Beach, the Heritage Collections, for your great support in Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. And definitely special thank you is also addressed to the team, which is part of one of the special economic zones here for Indonesia in the journey and the development of medical wellness and beauty tourism, I would say, to Bapak Ed Brea, which is reconnecting modern and also ancient ways as an integrated values to offer. Of course, with mutual collaborations and cooperation, we are heading to great development of wellness tourism. Thank you indeed once again, Pak Ed Brea.
And on this occasion, we would like to also expressing our appreciations to all of the content creators that also supporting the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. And they are also the parts of our journey this year. And therefore, we also have the vlog competitions, especially this is dedicated specifically for all of the content creators, all of the creative people on social media. So, kita akan langsung saja ke apresiasi, memberikan apresiasi kepada para kreator pada sesi kali ini. So we will continue with the announcements of competitions winners for the vlog competition pre-event.
Right, that will be on the screen with the announcement for vlog competitions for Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo. I'm not sure whether we start with the first winner with 5 million prize here with 1.5 cash, and then the rest will be voucher and certificate. Then the second winner will gain 3.5 million and 1 million in cash, and the rest will be voucher and certificate. And the third winner will go to 2.5 million prize, which goes to 750,000 rupiah cash, not US dollars. So that will go into additional vouchers and certificates as well.
Dan inilah dia para pemenang dari vlog competition. We present to you all of the winners. The third, the second, and the first winner for the vlog competitions of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. On the third place, Arkana Saka, Instagram Arkana Saka, and he will got 2.5 million rupiah, 2,5 juta rupiah total hadiah dalam bentuk cash 750.000 rupiah, voucher, dan juga sertifikat.
Once again, congratulations Arkana Saka on the third place winner for flow competitions, not going to the stage. So we are moving on now with the second winner for this competition.
The runner-up for the vlog competition is, congratulations to Poppy Pertiwi. Selamat untuk Poppy Pertiwi dengan Instagram Poppy Pertiwi yang mendapatkan hadiah total senilai 3,5 juta rupiah. Dalam bentuk cash 1 juta rupiah, voucher, dan juga tentunya sertifikat.
Of course, congratulations once again to the second place winner in vlog competition, Poppy Pertiwi.
Yes, and now let's just continue to the first place or the first winner for the vlog competitions. Congratulations to GAP Chandra Devi dengan Instagram T Ayu Devi yang memenangkan hadiah total senilai 5 juta rupiah worth for cash 1.5 million rupiah and vouchers, and also of course get a certificate. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again to all winners. The first winner is Chandra Devi, and second winner is Poppy Pertiwi, and the third winner definitely Arkana Saka. Congratulations. Great works, great contribution in Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo.
All right, so we already stated since beginning that the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 is all about innovations, and it is also about collaboration. And once we talk about collaborations, of course, it cannot be or never be only one person or one side only or one factor or one aspect only. And when we talk about collaborations, it's involving a lot of stakeholders, a lot of supports from different aspects, different sides of elements, right? Dan tentunya Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 ini bisa terlaksana berkat dukungan, kontribusi dan kolaborasi serta kepercayaan dari berbagai pihak.
Baik Bapak Ibu, dengan demikian kami ingin memberikan penghargaan yang sebesar-besarnya kepada para pendukung, para support yang telah diberikan, dan kami ingin memasuki sesi apresiasi kepada para sponsors.
Untuk itu sebagai bentuk apresiasi kita akan memberikan certificate and token handover to the sponsors that supporting Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving on to the presentations of certificate as well as token of appreciation to sponsors.
Dan kami ingin mengundang tentunya perwakilan dari sponsor kita. Yang pertama adalah dari BRI, Bapak Heru Pratomo, selaku Deputy Head Assamese di Regional Head BRI Denpasar untuk bisa naik ke atas panggung. Dan yang akan menyerahkan certificate and token of appreciation to our sponsors to BRI, kami mohon untuk Bapak Ketut Jaman, one of the co-founder of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026, to present the certificate and token of appreciation.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing presentations of certificate as well as token of appreciation to Bank Rakyat Indonesia. Bapak Heru Pratowo, Deputy Head Small Medium Enterprises, Regional Head BRI Denpasar.
It will be followed with a photo session. Thank you so much for the support. And we do hope that it will be continue next year for the next or the upcoming Bali Wellness and Beauty in 2027. We're so much looking forward for another collaborations with Bank Rakyat Indonesia. Thank you so much to both of the gentlemen, Bapak Ketut Jaman and also Bapak Heru Pratomo. You may now return back to your seat.
Up next, presentations of certificate as well as token of appreciation will be addressed to the Meru Bali Beach, the Heritage Collection. We are delighted to invite to the stage Bapak Ed Bria, the General Manager. And certificate will be presented by Ibu Diah Permata Tirtawati as the co-founder and managing director of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo.
Thank you, the Meru Sanur and Bali Beach, the Heritage Collection, for being a supporting partner since day one and since year one of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo.
Definitely a sincere appreciation to the Meru, Bali Beach, the Heritage Collections as part of Special Economic Zones of Indonesia.
Pleased to have a photo session, and thank you so much once again to Bapak Ed Bria and Ibu Diah Permana Tirtawati. You may now return back to the seat.
Thank you very much indeed once again. Up next, we move on to the presentations of certificate and token of appreciation to Daniswara, who will be represented by Arya Juliantara, the CEO of Daniswara Conventions and Logistics. And we would like to invite to the stage to present the token of appreciation and certificate, Bapak Ferry.
Ferry Saleh, please kindly present the token of appreciation and certificate to Bapak Arya Juliantara from Daniswara Conference Logistics. So all of the equipment being used during the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo are presented by Daniswara Conference Logistics.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the presentations of certificate as well as token of appreciation to Daniswara Conference Support and Logistics in their tremendous support to the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo this year.
Please have a photo session in 3, 2, 1, and thank you so much to both of you, gentlemen. You may now return back to the seat.
Thank you very much indeed. Once again, thank you for the great support to all sponsors, Bank Rakyat Indonesia, the Meru, Bali Beach, the Heritage Collections, as well as Daniswara Convention and Logistics.
Let's give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, also to all of our supporting partners and the sponsors for the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, up next, we are delighted to invite to the stage Bapak Dr. Ketut Zaman SS MSI to deliver a remarks.
Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam. Namo Buddhaya. Greeting of virtue. Warm greeting to us all. Distinguished guests, the Vice Minister of Tourism of the Republic of Indonesia or representative, the Vice Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises of the Republic of Indonesia, represented on this occasion by Bapak Bagus Rahman, Deputy for Medium Enterprises at the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. The Deputy Minister for Coordination of Industry, Labor and Tourism, the Coordinating Ministry of Economic Affairs or representative, the President Director of Bank BRI, in this occasion is represented by Bapak Heru Pratomo. Terima kasih banyak, Pak. The head of the Bali Provincial Tourism or representative, the head of the Denpasar City Tourism Office or representative, leaders of association and organization, the General Manager of the Meru Sanur, Pak Ed, Managing Director of Daniswara Conference Logistics, Pak Linaldi Salim, our sponsors and strategic partners, speakers, moderators, exhibitors, buyers, and investors, members of media, and all participants of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo, whom I am proud to welcome. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to Almighty God of His blessing and grace, which have enabled the entire Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 to be conducted successfully and to reach its conclusion today. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to extend my highest appreciation and sincere gratitude to all parties who have contributed to this event, whether through policy support, strategic partnership, active participation, or simply by being part of this growing ecosystem. The Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo was established with the understanding that the wellness and beauty industry has evolved into one of the world's most dynamic economic sectors, characterized by significant growth and far-reaching impact. This industry extends beyond health and beauty. It encompasses economic, social, cultural, and sustainability dimensions. Today, wellness has become an integral part of a development transformation focused on quality of life and human well-being. Over the past 3 days, Bali has served as a meeting point of stakeholders across multiple sectors: the government, businesses, academia, professional communities, investors, and the media. The interaction and exchanges that have taken place demonstrate that the advancement of the wellness and beauty industry requires strong collaboration, continuous innovation, and synergy across discipline and nations. This year, BWB Expo welcomed 95 exhibitors representing more than 140 brands from 5 provinces across Indonesia, including North Sumatra, Jakarta, Central Java, East Java, and Bali. International participation included exhibitors from Japan, from Singapore and the United States, as well as from Australia, alongside buyers and visitors from various countries, including Malaysia, India, and the United Kingdom. More than 200 companies attended as buyers, exploring opportunities for distribution, investment, and strategic partnership. A total of 3,550 visitors participated in this expo, comprising 3,200 domestic participants and 350 international participants. However, the success of the event cannot be measured by numbers alone. It is reflected in the quality of dialogue, the exchange of knowledge, and the collaborative opportunities that have emerged. Throughout the event, BWB Expo 2026 represented a comprehensive program featuring plenary session, keynote speeches, panel discussion, workshop, product presentation, interactive classes, wellness activities, fashion shows, and live performances. More than 40 national and international speakers contributed to discussion on key strategic topics, including wellness tourism, health and medical tourism, precision and preventive medicine, integrative and functional medicine, digital health, women's health, longevity, sustainable living, and future trend within the wellness industries. Over these 3 days, we have witnessed how the future of the wellness economy and wellness tourism can be shaped through meaningful dialogue and practical action. This expo is far more than an exhibition. It is a platform for transformation that brings together innovation, local wisdom, technology, investment, and sustainable lifestyle within a single integrated ecosystem. This year's theme, Thrive in Bali, where wellness inspires the world, reflects our belief that Bali possesses the social, cultural, and environmental foundation necessary to become a global center for wellness development. Bali is not merely a tourism destination. It is home to healing tradition, philosophies of harmony, and balanced living that resonate strongly with contemporary global needs. We would like to express our sincere appreciation to the central and regional government, Bank Rakyat Indonesia, the Meru Sanur, PT Daniswara Conference Logistics, all of our sponsors, exhibitors, buyers, investors, associations, universities, volunteers, and all parties who support made BWB Expo 2026 possible. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo is no longer simply an annual event. It has evolved into a movement and a world-class platform that brings together innovation, collaboration, and inspiration within the wellness and beauty industries. With great optimism, we are pleased to announce that the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo will return on the 4th to 6th June 2027 at the same venue here. We look forward to welcoming all of you once again with even broader participation, higher quality program, and stronger collaboration. May the works, ideas, and opportunities created over these past 3 days grow into meaningful partnerships that contribute to the advancement of industry, the well-being of society, and the development of our nation. We look forward to seeing you again at the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2027 from the 4th to the 6th of June 2027. Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Namo Buddhaya. Greeting of virtue, warm greeting to us all. Wellness greeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bapak Ketut Jaman, co-founder of the Bali Wellness and Beauty. We are very
Once
excited
again.
for the upcoming Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo next year, of course.
Right, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, a sincere appreciation is addressed to Bapak Dr. Ketut Jaman, SSMSE, as the co-founder of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo. And Pak Ketut Jaman, thank you very much for addressing that wellness is more than just industry. It encompasses the social, culture, and economic elements as well. And also, we need actually strong collaborations. We do need clear partnership model. We do need feasibility or feasible framework to enable us delivering a great vision as well as a great goal. Thank you very much indeed for addressing that.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we know that the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026, taking the philosophy of the tree of life by sowing the seeds of wellness among the blossoms. And therefore, as the theme itself also inspires the philosophy of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo, it will be also presented as part of the closing ceremony today. And now, we are very honored to invite to deliver the closing remarks Bapak Bagus Rahman, SAMSC, Deputy Medium Enterprises of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises of the Republic of Indonesia. Please.
Bapak Ibu, kita sambut bersama Bapak Bagus Rahman, SAMSC, Deputy for Medium Enterprises, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium of the Republic of Indonesia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Hampir salah ya Bunda. Kemarin juga Pak. Kemarin siapa ya? Pak Ferry ya. Pak Ferry ya. Iya. Mirip-mirip ya Pak. Yang terhormat tentunya Bapak. Nah ini banyak nih Pak Dr. Ketut Jaman. Saya copot ininya. Pak Dr. Ketut Jaman, co-founder and director Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo. Ya, sekaligus juga selamat Pak menjadi chairperson di Bali Convention Exhibition Bureau ya di Bali, untuk Bali. Tentu juga Bu Diah dan beserta sebentar, karena saya baru ini ya Pak Linaldi ya, Pak Linaldi ya. Dan sudah ada ya, Mr. Edbri ya. Sini juga hadir Pak Heru Pratomo, perwakilan dari BRI Bali. Terima kasih Pak. Kemarin Pak Dirutnya seru Pak, menyampaikan terkait dengan komitmen dari BRI untuk di acara ini. Lalu juga kepada, sebentar, Ibu Putu Ekayani ya, dari BPOM Bali. Silakan berdiri Bu, biar teman-teman ini apa. Dan tentunya kepada seluruh tamu undangan dan khususnya para pengusaha ya, pengusaha mikro, kecil dan menengah yang hadir memenuhi exhibition ya di atau sebagai exhibitor ya, sebagai exhibitor di Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 ini. Tentunya BPOM menjadi bagian penting ya dari teman-teman para pengusaha mikro, kecil dan menengah. Bapak Ibu, pertama tentunya saya sebagai Deputi Bidang Usaha Menengah, salah satu deputi ya di Kementerian UMKM, pertama tentunya sangat senang ya, alhamdulillah juga saya masih bisa hadir Bu, di Bapak Ibu semuanya di acara penutupan ini. Dan ini Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2006 adalah event kedua, betul ya Bu Diah ya, event kedua, dan tadi sudah diumumkan oleh Pak Ketut untuk yang tahun depan, sudah ada bocorannya ternyata, tanggal 4 sampai 6 Juni 2027, yang kita harapkan juga jauh lebih besar ya, karena kemarin juga dari Ibu Wamen Pariwisata, Bu Nilu Puspa menyampaikan event tahun ini lebih besar daripada event tahun lalu. Tentunya kita harapkan event tahun depan harus lebih besar daripada event tahun ini. Setuju ya Bapak Ibu semuanya ya? Nah ini kami tentunya bangga sebagai Kementerian UMKM karena tentunya industri wellness and beauty ini terus berkembang. Bapak Ibu, kami ingin sampaikan juga bahwa kehadiran Kementerian UMKM ini sebagai, ya kalau saya sering ngobrol-ngobrol juga ya dengan Bu Diah, Pak Ferry, ini kementerian yang baru, belum 2 tahun lah, belum genap 2 tahun dari Kementerian UMKM bisa baik-baik Pak Ferry. Mungkin banyak kementerian yang lain juga, ya dari 34 jadi 42 kementerian, kalau BPOM tetap ya, nggak mungkin bisa. Nah ini bagaimana Pak Presiden ingin lebih fokus dalam pemberdayaan kepada UMKM. Kita tahu UMKM tersebar di seluruh, ya mungkin sekarang lebih banyak lagi ya, sekitar 28 kementerian ya dari 42, sebelumnya ada 18 kementerian. Artinya bagaimana sebetulnya backbone perekonomian kita. Kenapa saya sebut pengusaha ya, tadi nggak bilang pelaku ya, pengusaha mikro kecil dan menengah, karena Pak Menteri kami, Pak Maman Abdul Rahman dan Pak Helvi Muraza, Wamen kami menyampaikan bahwa kalau kita bicara pelaku ini kelihatannya diksinya negatif ya, kan pelaku tuh cenderung pelaku curanmor gitu ya. Tapi kalau kita bicara pengusaha, ini entrepreneur skill-nya itu harus ada. Jadi dia baik dia mikro, kecil, menengah sampai besar pun harus punya entrepreneur skill yang sama. Makanya kita nggak pernah sebut lagi pelaku, tapi pengusaha mikro, kecil, dan menengah. Nah Kementerian UMKM ini memang baru, ya sebelumnya bergabung dengan Kementerian Koperasi, supaya Pak Presiden sampaikan supaya lebih fokus. Ternyata betul Pak Ferry, saya cerita ke Pak Ferry, Bu Diah ya, ngobrol-ngobrol dari minggu lalu ya, bahwa Pak Presiden ingin lebih fokus untuk ngurusin UMKM dan ternyata mandatnya Bapak Ibu semua ada di PP 7 2021, Peraturan Pemerintah Nomor 7 2021 tentang kemudahan pelindungan dan pemberdayaan koperasi dan UMKM. Salah satunya adalah terkait dengan data. Nah, tadi dengan Pak Ketut saya bilang nih data UMKM itu kan ada 57 juta tersebar di semua kementerian dan seluruh dinas provinsi, kabupaten, kota, pemerintah daerah artinya. Tapi nggak ada yang merorkestrasi. Nah, ternyata di PP itu dimandatkan untuk adanya pengelolaan basis data tunggal. Kepada siapa? Kepada kementerian yang menyelenggarakan urusan UMKM gitu. Jadi ini 2021 Pak, sekarang 2026 ya. Jadi emang baru ya, untuk bisa nanti UMKM ini seluruh kementerian, tidak hanya mungkin 28 ya, ikut membantu mendukung bagaimana tumbuh kembang UMKM Indonesia. Kenapa? Karena 99,99% adalah UMKM. Hampir samalah dengan di negara lain, bahkan kontribusi PDB 61%. Penyerapan tenaga kerja 97% dari seluruh tenaga kerja di Indonesia. Nah, coba kalau mungkin di para pengusaha di sini 61% dengan jumlah 97%-nya mikro gitu ya. Berarti kan nilai tambahnya nggak besar ya. Nah, makanya Wellness and Beauty ini sebetulnya dengan adanya banyak produk-produk yang punya brand, ada hilirisasinya, nilai tambah tentunya akan tinggi. Makanya pemerintah, khususnya Kementerian UMKM, hadir untuk bisa mengawal ya event ini supaya nanti kontribusi PDB-nya makin tinggi kepada PDB dari UMKM tersebut gitu ya. Nah, itu yang pertama ingin kami sampaikan, keberadaan dari Kementerian UMKM, tentunya dengan beserta kementerian lainnya. Yang kedua ini tadi sampaikan Budah ini B2C ya Bu ya, B2C, B2B, business to customer, business to business, tapi B2G-nya belum. Nah, ya kan? Nah, B2G ini kebetulan memang karena saya mengawal Pak Wamen, kami melakukan pendataan ya dari pengadaan barang jasa pemerintah melalui LKPP yang khusus di Bali. Itu nilainya 11,56 triliun. Ya, dan ternyata mayoritas dari pengadaan barang jasa pemerintah di Provinsi Bali saja itu adalah wellness. Gitu. Nah, ini ya Bu ya. Jadi ini ya mungkin kita nggak tahu gitu ya, karena ya sudah kita bisa lihat ternyata itu memang besar. Makanya kenapa dipilih Bali sebagai Center of Wellness and Beauty, dan temanya juga apa tadi? Thrives. Bali, Thrives in Bali, where wellness inspire the world, kan gitu ya. Nah, Thrives kita tahu kan inilah, ada logonya ya, flourish ya, blooming gitu ya. Dan ini terus berkembang, saya senang Bu, miara kembang di rumah, dan berkembang selalu karena saya tahu caranya. Nah, inilah makanya bagaimana kita, pemerintah ini ya, membangun iklim usaha yang kondusif. Ya, membangun satu kondisi yang dimana UMKM harus tumbuh terus menjadi besar gitu. Nah, ini yang kenapa dari BRI juga hadir ya, karena kalau istilah agak keren kan pentahelix ya. Kalau yang sederhana apa Pak Ferry kemarin ABCGM ya Pak ya. Academician, kita ngundang Udayana ya untuk mendukung acara ini, Udayana di Bali, lalu juga community, komunitas banyak sekali ya di sini, bahkan sudah berbentuk kelembagaan, lalu juga AB bisnis ya, business owner dulu, business owner, pengusaha tadi, lalu community, G-nya government, M-nya media. Tapi ada kurang satu sebetulnya, makanya ada hexahelix, agregator yaitu pembiayaan. Kita beri tepuk dulu kepada BRI karena Pak Dirutnya datang, wah kemarin luar biasa ini. Ini komitmen yang sangat tinggi sekali karena kita tahu BRI ya, bank besar dan kurnya di sana juga 70%, kemarin disebut oleh Pak Wamen. Inilah menjadi komitmen Kementerian UMKM dalam ini mendukung dari semua sisi ya untuk pemberdayaan tumbuh kembang UMKM Indonesia. Nah, Bapak Ibu, selain itu juga tentunya tadi saya sampaikan kita ingin dari pemerintah hadir itu memastikan harapan dari UMKM atau usaha kecil menengah sebetulnya ya, kalau kita bicara Wellness and Beauty itu untuk bisa tumbuh dan berkembang ya, tidak hanya di Bali tapi di seluruh Indonesia. Karena tadi Inspires the World di Bali dan sudah terbentuk, sekali lagi selamat ya kepada Budia sebagai ketuanya yang namanya Indonesia Wellness and Beauty Entrepreneurship Association. Betul ya Ferry ya? Kemarin di sama Ferry, kayaknya kurang gitu ya. Jadi asosiasi, ya itulah kalau di bahasa Indonesia atau kota salah-salah lagi ya. Indonesia Wellness and Beauty Entrepreneur Association, nah gitu. Sehingga kita bicara wirausaha dan bulan Juni adalah bulan kewirausahaan dan UMKM Nasional. Saya mungkin bisa menyampaikan hal itu karena juga akan menjadi bagian dari Kementerian UMKM ya untuk bisa memerayakan. Lalu juga yang berikutnya ingin saya sampaikan kaitan dengan potensi ya. Tapi tadi di pembukaan Pak Wamen sudah menyampaikan potensinya, Bu Wamen Wamen Pariwisata maksud saya juga menyampaikan kalau saya rupiahkan tuh sekitar 122.000 triliun, betul ya? Ya Pak ya, kemarin 6,7 triliun US dollar kan. Jadi kalau dengan yang sekarang ya hampir 122. Jadi besar sekali. Nah kalau Indonesia menjadi nomor 2 biodiversity-nya setelah Brazil, berarti harusnya kita gede sekali ya 122.000 triliun ini gitu loh kita manfaatkan karena bisa sudah ada tercatat menurut data yang memang kita terima. Nah Bapak Ibu tentunya kehadiran pemerintah sekali lagi Bu Dia dan semua yang hadir di sini sudah ada beberapa tadi logo ya. Tadi sempat ada beberapa logo dari Kementerian UMKM, lalu ada Kementerian Pariwisata, lalu ada Kementerian Kesehatan tadi ya, dan Kemenperin ya. Nah tentunya juga Kementerian Perindustrian. Kita harapkan juga nanti akan bisa terlibat Kementerian Ekraf. Karena pariwisata sama Ekraf sama tuh Pak Ferry kawin cerai ya. Pernah gabung, pernah bisa gabung, sekarang bisa lagi. Tapi supaya fokus, ya supaya fokus. Saya mungkin termasuk yang ngejamin tahun depan Ekraf harus datang. Karena Wamena teman saya, Mbak Airin. Nah, saya pikir datang. Tahu gitu saya jemput. Nah, dulu juga ada Kementerian PPPA, gitu ya, pemberdayaan perempuan anak, karena memang perempuan banyak, UMKM 61%, di bisnis di wellness yang itu juga banyak perempuan gitu ya, 51,2% dari desa dan seterusnya lah. Jadi kita sudah sangat tepat kita bicara wellness and beauty itu untuk keunggulan Indonesia. Lalu juga terakhir dari kami, karena saya Deputi Bidang Usaha Menengah nih Bu Diah ya, saya sudah sampaikan ke Pak Ferry juga diskusi bahwa kita bicara bangun ekosistem. Kalau kita bicara mikro, kecil, menengah, dari modal usaha, ya, dari omset, itu kan besarnya di mikro. Jadi saya nggak pernah pakai gambar segitiga lagi. Saya begini bilangnya, karena hampir split, mikro 19%. Nah, gimana caranya kita naik kelaskan mereka? Nah, kita punya program dari Pak Menteri dan Pak Wamen adalah holding UMKM. Holding UMKM itu bukan mikro kecil menengah bikin holding. Mungkin Pak Ketut bikin holding, bisa ya Pak, bikin anak perusahaan. Ini adalah ekosistem kemitraan bisnis UMKM berbasis klaster. Ada 10 klaster kita identifikasi di tahun lalu, ya sudah ada di kick off oleh Pak Menteri, launching dan seterusnya. Dan salah satu klasternya adalah wellness and beauty. Makanya begitu saya tahu di sini, saya dampingin terus Bu. Selama sebulan ini ya 3 kali lah ke Bali. Ya jadi ini kita akan dukung terus Bu untuk bisa nanti berkembang ya melalui asosiasi 20 provinsi nanti kita akan bantu mapping, mungkin pilotnya 6 provinsi kita akan lakukan dan di Bali lah menjadi learning center-nya. Itu mungkin beberapa, selamat sekali lagi bukti bahwa tambah jumlah eksibitornya dari 80 jadi 95, betul ya? Dari 107 jadi 140 perusahaan. Wah ini keren sekali dan ini harus bunyi, harus bisa diglorifikasi untuk bisa nanti di media kita bantu juga. Sekali lagi selamat ya kepada semua pengusaha mikro lah termasuk juga ya kecil dan menengah khususnya yang memang sudah meramaikan acara dan seluruh event yang ada di sini. Saya nggak tahu ada lari, kalau tahu Pak Ferry yang ngasih tadi benderanya ada saya ikut Pak. Bahkan saya siap renang juga sebetulnya Pak kalau ada. Tapi nextnya nanti kita akan coba ikut melibatkan banyak ya, melibatkan banyak para pengusaha mikro kecil menengah khususnya di Bali ini. Selamat dan sampai ketemu ya di event Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2027 yang akan lebih besar lagi insya Allah. Makasih sekali lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi Santi Om.
Terima kasih Bapak, dimohon untuk tetap berada di atas panggung. Please kindly remain on the stage. And now we will entering the most important segment of the closing ceremony. Inilah dia momen puncak closing ceremony Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 dengan filosofi The Tree of Life, sowing the seeds of wellness among the blossoms. Untuk itu kami mengundang para tamu kehormatan untuk berkenan menuju ke area seremoni mendampingi Bapak Rahman on the stage. Ibu Dr. Diah Permana Tirtawati MBA, the co-founder and also managing director of the Bali Wellness and Beauty. Bapak Dr. Ketut Jaman SSMSI, co-founder of the BWB. Bapak Linaldi Salim, co-founder of BWB. And Bapak Ferry Agustian Soleh, also the co-founder of the BWB.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are proceeding now with the closing ceremony with the philosophy of the Tree of Life, showing the seeds of wellness among the blossoms.
Inilah dia sebuah simbol dari pertumbuhan, transformasi, harmoni, dan masa depan wellness. Pada prosesi ini, kupu-kupu menjadi simbol perjalanan perubahan menuju kehidupan yang lebih seimbang, sehat, dan penuh makna. 3 kupu-kupu akan ditempatkan pada Tree of Life, merepresentasikan perjalanan Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Thrive from within, keseimbangan yang dimulai dari dalam diri. Thrive in harmony, kehidupan yang selaras dengan manusia, budaya, dan alam. Thrive for the future, komitmen bersama untuk menciptakan masa depan wellness yang berkelanjutan.
Baik Bapak Ibu, thrive from within, thrive in harmony, and thrive for the future. Seperti kupu-kupu yang tumbuh melalui proses transformasi, setiap langkah dan kolaborasi yang tercipta dalam Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 ini diharapkan terus berkembang dan memberikan inspirasi bagi dunia.
Baik. Kami mohon untuk bersiap-siap untuk melakukan prosesi The Tree of Life ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let us do the countdown together in 3, 2, and 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the closing ceremony of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo with the philosophy of the Tree of Life. Gentlemen, may these butterflies carry the message of wellness, beauty, and harmony, a symbol that Bali will continue to grow and inspire the world.
And with the completions of the Tree of Life ceremony, Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026 is officially closed. We would like to invite you to have a photo session for a while. The VIPs on the stage. And then for the second session, we would like to also invite to join them to have a photo. All of the VIPs on the first row, please also join the VIPs on the stage for a group picture.
Right, we are inviting VIPs on the front row to join the group photo session on the stage.
May the spirit of wellness, beauty, and collaboration continue to bloom and inspire the world. As we are here also continuing the spirit of the wellness and also beauty from Bali to the world.
Right, and we are delighted to invite representative from Japan to also join us as the group photo session on the stage.
And after this, we're going to continue for another group photo session by inviting all of our exhibitors, the representative from each exhibitors and also sponsors to also join us after this for the next photo session.
Yes, let's do a wellness gesture over here for the group photo session.
Salam wellness.
Yes.
Silakan.
Boleh dihitung ya Bapak Ibu Pak Ketut Budiah. 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1. kindly maybe proceed 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to your left, 2 langkah ke kiri. As it is already implied by the photographer, boleh 2 langkah ke kiri, yes. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much.
Indeed. Please remain on stage as we would like to also invite all exhibitors and representative of all exhibitors. Please proceed to the stage for a group photo session.
Silakan untuk para exhibitors, perwakilan dari masing-masing exhibitors yang hadir di sini. Boleh kami undang untuk bisa berfoto bersama di atas panggung, silakan.
Baik,
Masing-masing
semua
perwakilan.
exhibitors kami undang untuk menuju panggung untuk pengambilan foto bersama.
Dan jangan kemana-mana karena sesaat lagi kita akan melakukan sesi yang paling menarik yaitu bagi-bagi hadiah ya. Masih ada beberapa hadiah yang akan kami bagikan dan ini hadiahnya tentunya sangat menarik Bapak Ibu, jadi jangan kemana-mana terlebih dahulu. Silakan berfoto bersama terlebih dahulu.
So once again we are delighted to invite all the exhibitors to proceed to the stage for a group photo session.
And after this we still also have the guest star performance to officially close as well all of the agenda during the closing ceremony of the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo 2026. Please do join the photo session.
We will allocate some times because we need to really invite all exhibitors. We just need to ensure all the exhibitors are on the stage for a group photo session.
Baik, silakan berfoto bersama. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much to all of our exhibitors.
Do we have everybody here? Do we have all exhibitors? Can I check the photographer? Do we have all exhibitors? Beli Chandra, sudah semua ya exhibitors ya?
Alright, in 3, 2, 1.
Can everybody say Bali? 1, 2, 3.
Bali.
One more time. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Bali.
Spaghetti. 1, 2, 3.
Bali.
Spaghetti. All right. We can
Thank
do Bali, we can do
you.
spaghetti, we can do whiskey.
Thank you
Well,
so much.
thank you very much once again, all exhibitors, for the contributions to the Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo this year. And we are very much looking forward to have you all in the next year of Bali Wellness and Beauty Expo.